Chapter 1. What is the importance of quality? In this chapter, you will learn what is the importance of quality, what are the different definitions of quality. Imagine how unsafe the world would be if the doctor starts handling you rather than curing you. Just like how a doctor cures a patient rather than handling the patient, we solve problems for our customers more than just handling them. Quality is more than just being a metric or a jargon. It is the very purpose of the existence of an organization. For a customer, quality means resolution of his problems, getting service on time, and getting solution correct at the first time. Let us now understand the different definitions of quality. Joseph M. Juran, one of the influential quality gurus, defined quality as fitness for use. Those product features which meet the needs of customers and thereby provide product satisfaction. It is all about freedom from deficiencies. Dr. W. Edwards Deming promoted the Shewhart cycle, that is, plan, do, check, act. According to him, quality is defined from the customer's point of view as anything that enhances their satisfaction. American Society for Quality defines quality as the totality of features and characteristics of a product or service that bear on its ability to satisfy stated or implied needs. Simply stated, quality comes from meeting customer expectations. This occurs as a result of 4 activities: understanding customer requirements, designing products and services that satisfy those requirements, developing processes that are capable of producing those products and services, controlling and managing those processes so they consistently deliver to their capabilities. Summary. In this chapter, you learned the importance of quality for every customer and the different definitions of quality.